Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the UCO titanium utility spork. Alright, thanks for joining me today. I'm doing this video more as an awareness type thing than a review. How can you really review a spork? I mean, it's going to be, sit here and go, yes, the end stab, yes, the spoon works. So I'm going to be using this in the channel. You're going to see this get used for a little while in my channel when I do food reviews and stuff like that. And I wanted to do this review today because I have a couple of food reviews coming up, and we're going to use the spork in it. So I wanted to get the review out of the way and also let you know that these are now carried in Walmart. They run about 10 bucks in Walmart. I will have a link down below in my Amazon store. Unfortunately, on Amazon, they're $12.99. I'd prefer you get it in Walmart and save money, honestly, you know? But if you don't want to buy it from Walmart or you don't want to shop there and the only place you can get it from is Amazon, there will be a link down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off the packaging and I'm going to try and save this strap because this strap supposedly lets you strap it to your backpack. And I'm going to take a look around it and let you know about it, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got it off the packaging and I managed to keep the band intact. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a 3-in-1 titanium spork combo utensil. It features a spoon on one end and a fork with a serrated knife edge on the other. It's made of lightweight BPA and phthalate-free titanium. Phthalates generally are a salt used to create strength in objects. It's ideal for camping, backpacking, scouting, picnics, pretty much anything you'd want to use it for. It's got a nice ergonomic design. I like that it feels good in my hand. Now, I'm not left-handed, so let's use my right hand. Yeah, that feels, I mean, you know, when I was playing around with it after I took it out, it feels good in my hand. One thing I did notice was that one of the tines was a little bent. I think that comes from the way they're packaged with one on top of the other. So it was kind of bent. I just pushed it back into shape. It's fine. The holes supposedly are drilled for weight reduction as well as putting that little bandolier, putting that little rubber band through it so it can attach to your gear. Spoon is nice, you know, I got a feeling this will work nicely, and like I said, we're going to test this out in the channel. We're going to use it a lot. I'm going to try and use it a lot and see if it's worth 10 bucks. So it's got two holes to cut down the weight, as I told you. That's the shock tether cord, and this will go, I'll demonstrate it real quickly. This goes over the top and through here and around into there, and it would latch onto molly webbing or the side of your pack or whatever. So it is kind of a neat idea. You know, it's nice that it comes with it. Don't really need it. I'd probably stuff it in a cook kit or in my bag somewhere. But it's nice to have it latched on the outside too. Now, the length is 6.9 inches, and it weighs about 0.07 ounces. It's dishwasher safe and has a 1-year warranty. I wanted to check the weight on that, just to make sure. Let me put this on ounces. There we go. It is on ounces. You zero it out. Yeah, 0.67 I'm showing. Let me see if you guys can see that. Anyway, close enough for me. Don't really have a problem with that. So the only thing I've really noticed about it, okay, from my own personal observations right away, this is your serrated edge on the corner there. I don't know if you can see that, this little edge here. I don't think that's going to be sharp enough to cut anything. And as a general rule from reading reviews online, everybody pretty much said the same thing, the knife is useless. Now, do I really want a knife in my mouth every time I use a fork? No, so I don't really care. As a matter of fact, if it bothered me, I would just flatten that out, because we're all carrying knives of some kind on us when we are either using our bug out bags or using our survival gear or out in the woods or whatever. So I'm not real worried about this having a knife. It doesn't have to be everything to me. It can just be a neat, light utensil. It is very light, and it does feel like it'll bend, but I'm telling you, that won't bend. Not unless you go out of your way to break it. So, really, this is more of just an awareness thing. I wanted to let you guys know that this is available in Walmart. They carry a whole ton of UCO gear now, I've noticed in ours. I guess because it's spring, summer, you know, camping season's coming up. And I've seen a lot of their new stuff there. They also have a little plastic mess tin, which I will be looking at probably later on. It seems to be a nice little kit, and it's definitely something worthwhile. You can't cook in it, of course, because it's plastic. But UCO has always made decent gear. I've always had good luck with their stuff, so I figured I'd take a chance on this. Now, one of the things I plan on doing with this, other than using it in the channel and making sure it holds up, is I want to heat anodize it. If you've ever messed around with titanium and heat, you've noticed that it takes on this cool kind of purplish blue color. So I'll probably do that after the video's over, and you'll get to see it tomorrow and what I'm using it for tomorrow. But we'll see how that works out. It's not something you need to do. It's really just for fun and for looks. It's going to look kind of cool. But anyway, that is the UCO Titanium Utility Spork. Like I said, I'm going to put a link down below in my store from Amazon. They're $12.99 there. You can get them at Walmart for $9 something. I think they're $9.98, or they're about $10. So I mean, if you have a Walmart near you, I'd rather you save the money than buy from my store. It just makes sense. And especially since I'm more budget minded on this channel, I don't mind. Go buy it at Walmart if it's cheaper. Anyway, folks, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a real simple kind of video today. I really can't, it's kind of hard to demo this without food, and we're going to be doing more food in the next few days, so we'll demo it there. But I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store down below. Even if there's nothing in the store you want, just click the link, search in the search bar, buy what you normally would from Amazon. It really helps out our channel. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link down below if you're interested in getting started in freeze-dried food. There's a whole ton of stuff for you to check out there. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared. Hey, look, everybody. Bonus footage. I just had to do it after I finished the video, so I figured I'd give you guys a look. Just a little bit of heat with a little propane torch. It gives it a kind of cool look. I don't know what the heck this little white dot is there. It's like a little white imperfection, a silver kind of a imperfection. Must be something in the middle, but all in all, I think that looks pretty darn cool. Anyway, folks, just thought I'd throw that in there. Take care.